Hey everyone, this is Irene with Expose the Heart Photography. I'm out at the Japanese tea gardens. I'm getting ready to do a photo session for Betsy and Super Tim. This is going to be a traditional Indian dress session, and they are getting ready to get married out in India soon. So we're doing these photos sort of as a thank you for their American wedding that they just recently had. So you don't want to miss this. Please be sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button so you can see more content just like this. Y'all are so smile. So when you look at each other, I want you to think about, this is the, Super Tim's gonna go away for like 3 months, maybe a year. So this is the last time you're gonna get a look at him. So you let me know how that makes you feel.
Oh, I know, I'm very emotional.
Look back to me, Super Tim. And just hold that a little more. It's gonna feel like you're really pulling your neck, but there we go, perfect. Keep your heads just where they are and just kind of bring your eyes to one another. I know, it's hard. Let me have you two look here. Oh, there we go, beautiful, hold that. And if you can't, even if you can't see each other, I want you to just, there you go, yeah, peek back to her. Betsy, let me have you bring both your arms around him. You're just gonna like really snuggle in. There you go. Betsy, stay just as you are, Super Tim. Let me have you bring your right hand over to her elbow. There you go. Looking right here at me. Look towards me, you two. Yeah, just holding hands, looking at each other. This is gonna be a tighter crop, so let me have y'all just squeeze in together as much as you can. There you go. Okay, Betsy, so tell me, what made you say yes? His head. That was number one. You can come right on through. What about you, Super Tim? What made you ask?
Everything about her.
Everything. Beautiful, you too. Bring your chin slightly up. With this hand right here, Super Tim, let me have you, yeah, hold her. I'm gonna have y'all just like kind of like hugging and embracing and looking out and up this way, and then just responding to one another. Yes. And I'm gonna.
Is he looking across the shoulder, or?
He's gonna really be looking at you like, so think of when you see like a president's photo and you see them just kind of like looking out and up. Yeah. I want both of y'all together. You're like, yes. Very presidential. So you're probably gonna be on this side of him, Betsy. Right there? Yeah, just like that.
Like that?
Yes. And you're gonna like snuggle in. And then I'm gonna have y'all just change around, just kind of respond to one another.
Okay.
Give me just a second though, because I'm gonna change out lenses for this. Right there is perfect. Looking out. Super Tim, let me have you bring your head like right by her ear, like you're gonna whisper to her. Still looking out, still looking out. So you're gonna look out that way, and Super Tim, you're gonna bring your head right by her ear. But looking out, so just as close to her ear. There you go, right there. And look back at Super Tim. And let me have you both look at me. Perfect. Let's let them pass through and look at each other. That feels good. And let me have y'all holding hands in front. He'll block you.
Don't block.
You're in her way, Super Tim. Look at each other.
my gosh, that's wild.
There you go.
I'm not gonna show them all. Yeah, I'm gonna have you both. I'm gonna be shooting you guys from this way, facing that way.
Okay.
I'm gonna have you standing in front, Betsy, and then Super Tim, you're gonna be behind her, and I want you just like really snuggling her, whatever feels good to you.
Okay. On the very
Tasteful.
top step.
And
Keyword.
we'll fix
Yes,
this
I will.
better. You never know. What do you do, right? I'm not there to tell you. Let me have y'all holding each other just like that, but looking out this way. So right on that edge, maybe like towards the, is there an edge there, like a corner? No, don't climb on. I want you closer to that rock that I'm seeing here, that big flat rock. Are you able to get a little closer to that now? Maybe further up, maybe go up the steps some. To that step right there, there we go. And then go to the edge. There we go. Perfect. That feels good.
I'm getting some real volume.
Relax your faces, so close your eyes. And then open them. So good, hold that for me. And let me have you bring y'all's hands out like this. There we go. I'm gonna have you bring them lower, just a little bit lower. And let's show his ring too. Hold that for me. And Super Tim, let me have you come in, like just wherever you feel you can snuggle in there. That feels good. Maybe like go this way. Let's have you more on the side. Bring your head over the way. I love that awkwardness. He was like, I love it. Look in there. All right, Super Tim. Give me some of those GQ poses that you know. Yeah, he knows. He did them wedding day. I got you. I saw. And then like just kind of like caressing his head here, giving him a little bit of love. There we go.
This thing is really low. I want to lift it.
Does it feel too low?
Yeah.
There you go.
Right there. Yeah, that feels good. Will we put this on her? Because I love the way this looks here.
Can we take a swim inside the slush?
That's what the caption of this photo is going to be. I want a slush from McDonald's Sonic. And look towards me, you two. Just kind of lean into one another. So. There we go. And go in for a kiss. Awesome, you too. Okay, we're good. Yeah. Let's go home. Y'all are good to go. Get that slushy.
Oh my gosh. It's like, I mean, babe.
You should
I'm
have
like,
seen when you guys were,
I can't even.
when you guys were like up there. Y'all literally looked like you were in a movie or something.
Yeah.
Damn, yeah.
These here.
Very extra.
Babe, that's what I
Very
wanted.
extravagant.
Very
Exactly.
Over the
That's awesome, yeah.
I don't know. I've
Oh
never
my
been told
gosh.
that we're extra before. Is that good?
Yes.
I'm so out of tune with her.
I want them
I'm a
to be
mom.
over the top.
Guys, I don't know these things anymore.
It's good.
You wanted them over the
Yes.
top. Yay.
Damn.
Yeah.
All right. Well, I'll take down. So that's good.
You know what that means. Thank you so much.
You're
Irene.
welcome. Okay, so that wraps that up. I hope you enjoyed this. It's extremely humid and hot today. We have had the craziest weather with tons of rain. So this humidity has me all sorts of messy. But again, I hope you enjoyed that. Please be sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Leave me a comment below. Let me know what you thought about this. Share some love with this video if you know somebody that you think can benefit from this. But we'll catch you next time.